Careful. Salam alaikum. Careful, please.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Sorry, huh? I did not expect them to do that. You can come out here and we're going to stop. Like this is S24-SUD. So I just opened the door, waiting there on the zigzags. Engine. I can't tell if the engine's running. Nobody inside. I remember that guy. I caught them like a long time ago. The driver was on his phone and he got a warning. What were you doing on the phone, my friend? Why were you talking on the phone coming around the corner? Why were you driving and talking on the phone? Zero. On the dots. Let's see. So here we have okay, safe to stop. We'll slow down at least. MC16AKV, Mike Charlie 16 Alpha Kilo Victor, confirmed.